Alright, you guys, welcome back. I went to Target again. I bought a salvager, the one I needed for the case 37, Mix 37. Here it is. The back here, I just need Dragon, Grandma Gravedigger, Swedish Fish, Megalodon, the red one, Zombie, and that's it. I need 3 more trucks for this case. No, 4 more. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4 more trucks for this case and have it complete. Here we go, guys. Salvager. Got it again. I just broke the bottom. Alright. Here it is. Look at that, guys. I remember they released this back in 2020, I think. Or 2021, but I'm glad it's back salvager. Got the different parts. Really nice. The rust detail's pretty cool. It's like a matte this time. The different headlights, the broken grille almost, motor, rusted pipes, red ribbon bead lock, blue ribbon bead lock, green and brown, blue roll cage. There's a tanks in the back, and gray chassis, gray tires, the exhaust pipes. So that's all I got today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.